Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new chapter which is chapter 13 and the chapter name perimeter and the area. Now in this chapter we are going to learn find the perimeter of a triangle, rectangle, square and other shapes. Find the area of regular and irregular shapes by counting squares. Now in this we are going to learn about the perimeter first. So here the perimeter which is used to find out is the measurement around the outside of an object. So whatever they have given object, we are going to find the outside of the given object. So the area is the measurement of an space square units inside an object. So whatever they have given you in that, within that we are going to find out the inside of the object. Now first we'll learn about perimeter. So perimeter, as I told you before, we are going to find the outside of the area. So here they have given the sum of the lengths of all side of a closed figure is called its perimeter. So we are going to find out the outside surface of the object. So here we have perimeter of a rectangle. So in this we are going to learn about two methods. So I'll be telling you what are the method. First we'll move on to the first method to find out the perimeter of the given rectangular. Here we have named the rectangular which is A, B, C, D. So which is AB is length and CD is also a length and BC is breadth and AD is also breadth. So in this we are going to find out the perimeter of the outer surface of the rectangle. So the first method is we have to add all the outer surface area which they have given. Now we are going to find out. So first we have to add the perimeter of the outer surface 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. These are the measurements was given in the outer surface of the rectangle. So if you add all together, you will be getting 12 centimeter. So the outside of the rectangular is 12 centimeter. Now this is the first method. Now the same way we are going to learn in the second method, I'll be telling you. Now here the second method, the same perimeter of a rectangle. So we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle by using formula. So here we have length and here we have breadth. So using length and breadth we are going to apply a formula. So here we have the formula which is perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So we are going to add the length and the breadth and we are going to multiply twice because already we have one more length and one more breadth. So first we are going to do that. So here 2 into length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. If you add together, you will be getting the answer as 6. Then you have to multiply twice. Then you will be getting the answer as 12 centimeter. Now this is the second method. We have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Next we are going to learn about perimeter of a square. So is the perimeter of the square. So already we know that all sides are equal for the square. So what we have to do is same thing. We have to add all the outside boundary of the square. So here we have 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So all together we'll be getting it as 8 centimeter. So another way also we can do by using a formula. So here we have the same thing, perimeter of a square, the formula which is 4 into sides. Why is it is 4 into sides is we have 4 sides in a square and all sides are equal. So we are multiplying 4 times with the sides. So 4 into 2 centimeter will be getting the same answer which is 8 centimeter. So there are two methods we can do by adding all together or by using the formula we can find the perimeter of the given shape. Next we are going to find out the shapes they have given here. With that we are going to find the outer surface of the given picture. So here in this we are going to find out the perimeter of the outer surface. So here we have 2. Here we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3. These are the outer surface area. So with this we are going to find out the perimeter. First we have to, as I told you before, you have to add all together as a all together and you have to find out the perimeter value. So first we have to add 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So if you add all together, we'll be getting it as 14. So the outer surface of the given picture is 14. So the perimeter is equals to 14 units. Next, we are going to learn about a story sums. So in this also, Mr. Roy bought a carpet which is 15-meter long and 12-meter broad. What is its perimeter? So in this, we are going to find out the perimeter. So in that, they are asking us to find out the perimeter. Perimeter means you have to add the outer surface of the area. So here the long which is they have mentioned, that is a length. So length is 15 meter and the broad they have mentioned, that is breadth. So breadth is 12 meter. So by using the formula, we are going to find out. Why we are you applying a formula here? Because here we don't have the picture to add all the sides. So by using the, so in this we are going to using to find out the perimeter by using formula. So here the formula is perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So as I told you before, first add the length and the breadth and multiply twice. You will be getting the answer for the perimeter. So here 15 plus 12 is 27. So I have to multiply twice. 2 into 27, you will be getting it as 54 meter. Thank you.